everybody, welcome back to the Pro Fraps. Hello, and Orange12345 has updated the Panama Tornado, which is very cool because this is one of my personal favourite military aircraft. And now he's using, I'm pretty sure the F-14's swept wings are they the same? I think they might be the same. Well, either way, I'm really excited for this update. And also, oh my god, also, they have chaff. I've sat in one of these bad boys at the Ulster Aviation Society. If you've ever known of an island, you should give it a wee check. It's actually amazing. Because it has the F4 Phantom, it Shall I Continue, V1 Flying Bomb, Shots 330. Yeah, very good. Why is that moving? Wait, no way. Wait, is it moving? Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. That is no way, bro. That actually, bro, that is so cool. Because when they were designing it, it was meant to do everything in the 60s, but it had to carry like fuel tanks. But now those fuel tanks actually move it. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. And also, we have a Spearman finally, and that's in Pirate Training Test server. So yeah, it's an old category. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, here's it. And did they change the copy? No. I mean, at least the stick's nice, I guess. But good. Oh my god. Well, this guy is pretty cool. I really like this. Chaff. Move it. Chaff. Yeah. Once you see it in real life, it's amazing. You can actually sit in it at the Ulster Aviation Society. It's an amazing aircraft. It is amazing. Just look at that. I'm definitely going to make a video once they add liveries. The liveries are probably going to be Italian Air Force, German Air Force, and RAF. You have to subscribe if I get them right. Well, I think that's today's video. Sorry if it's a bit of a short one, but yeah, I'll make a new video once the liveries are out. So make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.